Dry your hair. Dry your... Wait, dry your hair.
I got it.
No, do it again. Dry your hair. Hey, dry your hair for Auntie Jojo. We're going to show this to Auntie Rhino and Uncle Rob. Come on, dry your hair.
Dry your hair. Dry your hair.
Not your face. Dry your hair.
Dry your hair. Come on, put it up on top of your head.
Teresa, dry your hair for Auntie Rhonda.
Turn around.
Hey, look at me.
And Auntie Rhonda, say hi, Auntie Rhonda.
Turn around. Dry your hair. Dry your hair. Come on.
She's like, I don't know how.
Come on, show. Then we'll show Auntie Rhonda.
Dry your hair.
Dry your
Come,
hair.
please. Move the hair dryer around. Move it around. No, Teresa.
Teresa, move
Go like this. Wiggle it.
Wiggle it. Come on, put it up. There you go, up on your
Do
head.
it to your hair. Do that to your hair. Okay. Good girl.